Ito na yung tracking tank. Ngayong umaga, alas 6 ng umaga, nasa 11.9 degrees north, 127.1 degrees east. Mamaya alas 5 ng hapon, nasa 13.4 degrees north, 125.7 degrees east. Alas 6 bukas ng umaga, Pitsa 2, Lunes. Nasa 14.8 degrees north, 124.5 degrees east. Alas 5 bukas ng hapon, Lunes. Nasa 16.7 degrees north, 124.1 degrees east. May mga bugso ng 95. Alas 5 ng umaga ng Pitsa 3, Martes, tumakas pa. Nasa 18.2 degrees north, 124.1 degrees east. May mga isang daan na. Alas 5 ng hapon ng Pitsa 3, Martes, tumaas na siya ng konti, nasa 18.9 degrees north, 124.0 degrees east. Bumagal. Miyerkules, Pitsa 4, halos nandun lang din. 19.3 degrees north, 123.6 degrees east. Mabagal pa rin. Alas 5 ng hapon ng Pitsa 4, halos nandun lang din. Sa 19.123. May plan. Pitsa 5, alas 5 ng umaga, Webes, agad na lang, may balak bumalik. Nasa 19.2 degrees north, 122.5 degrees east, bumalik. May mga 120 na, nabugso. Alas 5 ng hapon ng Pitsa 5, Webes pa rin. Bumalik talaga. Nandito lang siya sa unahan ng Calayan Island. May taas-taas daw ang Santana. Alas 5 ng umaga, Pitsa 6. Ayun, tumama na sa lupa. Bumalik talaga. Anong isla to? Yung katabi ng Calayan Island, doon lang din. Dalopere na isla, doon sa Calayan Island. Bumalik. Nasa 130 na yung bugso. Laban naman to senting, uuwi na paalis na bumalik pa. Sais. Tapos, Pitsa 6, alas 5 ng hapon, nagpa-norte. Nasa 20.0 degrees north, 121.0 degrees east. Tapos, Sabado, Pitsa 7, nasa Taiwan na. Oh, 15, 122. Ngayong araw ng linggo, Pitsa 1. 15 to 33 na northeast, 3 to 5 feet. Yung 5 feet niya mamayang gabi. Bukas, Lunes, Pitsa 2. 32 to 55 na northwest sa umaga hanggang tanghali. Alas 12 ng tanghali hanggang gabi mag-southwest na 6 to 7 feet. Petsa 3, Martes, 32 to 52 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. Petsa 4, Miyerkules, 35 to 55 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. Petsa 5, Huwebes, 42 to 64 na southwest, 6 to 7 feet. Yung 7 feet niya sa gabi. Petsa 6, Biyernes, 44 to 66 na southwest, 6 to 7 feet. Petsa 7, Sabado, 32 to 56 na southwest, 4 to 6 feet. Yung 4 feet niya sa hapon pa. Petsa 8, Linggo, 24 to 45 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Petsa 9, Lunes, 17 to 35 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. At Petsa 10, Martes, 24 to 45 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Nakopya mga amigo dito sa 15-122. Okay ko pa, ingat yan. Maganda ang mag-read. 15-123. Ngayong araw ng linggo, Petsa 1. 20 to 43 na northeast, 3 to 6 feet. Yung 6 feet niya, mamayang gabi mag-umpisa. Yung 3 to 4 feet niya, simula ngayon umaga hanggang alas 2 na hapon. Yan yung 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Lunes, Petsa 2. Oy, 45 to 73 na northwest sa umaga, mag-southwest sa tanghali hanggang gabi na 7 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya sa tanghali mag-umpisa. Petsa 3, Martes, 42 to 63 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 4, Miyerkules, 45 to 68 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 5, Huwebes, 48 to 75 na southwest, 8 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya sa gabi. Petsa 6, Biyernes, 41 to 68 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 7, Sabado, 40 to 60 na southwest, 5 to 7 feet. Petsa 8, Linggo, 20 to 40 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 9, Lunes, 17 to 38 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. At Petsa 10, Martes, 42 to 54 na southwest, 3 to 5 feet naman. Nakopya amigong rocket toss dyan sa 15-123. Langanin na mamayang gabi. Ito, 13 to pa, rabantay. Oh, papalakas na. Oh, Petsa 1, Linggo ng Setyembre. 30 to 53 na northwest, 5 to 7 feet. Yung 7 feet niya, mamayang alas 2 mag-umpisa. Bukas, Petsa 2, Lunes, 40 to 63 na southwest sa Bagat, 5 to 7 feet. Yung 5 feet niya, sa hapon pa yun. Petsa 3, Martes, 25 to 48 na southwest, 4 feet. Petsa 4, Miyerkules, 33 to 53 na southwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pitya 5, Huwebes, 42 to 65 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. Pitya 6, Biyernes, 45 to 68 na southwest, 5 to 7 feet. Pitya 7, Sabado, 30 to 51 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitya 8, Linggo, 17 to 34 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Pitya 9, Lunes, 17 to 35 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. At pitya 10, Martes, 27 to 48 na southwest, 3 feet. Nakopya mga amigong red na ilina dyan sa 13, 1 to 4. Alam na. Pwede lang tumapit tabi ngayon. Hunter. Sige, ito na. 11 naman 8, ngayong araw ng Lunes, araw ng Linggo, pitya 1. Ngayong umaga, 15 to 31 na southwest, 3 feet. Mamayang alas 5 ng hapon hanggang gabi, 22 to 40 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Lunes, pitya 2, 30 to 53 na southwest, 4 to 6 feet. Yung 6 feet niya magsisimula ng alas 11 ng tanghali hanggang gabi na yun. Pitya 3, Martes, 35 to 55 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. Pitya 4, Miyerkules, 40 to 62 na southwest, 6 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya, alas 2 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Pitya 5, Huwebes, 44 to 68 na southwest, 8 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya, alas 2 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Pitya 6, Biyernes, 42 to 65 na southwest, 8 to 9 feet. Pitya 7, Sabado, 36 to 56 na southwest, 6 to 7 feet. Pitya 8, Linggo, 21 to 40 na southwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pitya 9, Lunes, 20 to 40 na southwest, 4 feet. At pitya 10, Martes, 30 to 51 na southwest, 4 to 5 feet. Nakopya amigong si Hunter dyan sa 11, 118. Palakas na bukas, Hunter. Tarten 118, sige. Nakopya, Hunter, maglalakas na dyan bukas. Ito amigong Ilboy, 13, 118. Ngayong araw ng Linggo dyan, pitya 1, 13, 118. 10 to 27 na southeast sa ngayon. Mag-southwest siya mamayang gabi na 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Lunes, pitya 2, 15 to 35 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitya 3, Martes, 31 to 55 na southwest, 5 to 7 feet. Yung 7 feet niya sa gabi pa naman mag-umpisa. Pitya 4, Miyerkules, 40 to 65 na southwest, 7 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya, alas 2 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Pitya 5, Huwebes, 32 to 53 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. Pitya 6, Biyernes, 40 to 63 na southwest, 8 to 9 feet. Pitya 7, Sabado, 40 to 60 na southwest, 8 to 9 feet. Pitsa 8, Linggo, 30 to 52 na southwest, 6 to 7 feet. Pitsa 9, Lunes, 20 to 41 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. At pitsa 10, Martes, 30 to 51 na southwest, 5 feet. Nakopya may kong elbow dyan sa 13, 118. Kupay ingat, magalang mo. Abantay, 14-119. Sige, ito. 14-119 ng araw ng linggo, pitsa 1. 10 to 21 na southeast sa ngayon hanggang tanghali. Mag-southwest siya, alas 2 ng hapon, 3 to 40. Pitsa 2, bukas, Lunes, 15 to 31 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Pitsa 3, Martes, 21 to 42 ng southwest, 4 to 6 feet. Yung 6 feet niya, alas 5 ng hapon, mag-umpisa. Pitsa 4, Miyerkules, 30 to 51 na southwest, 6 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya, alas 5 ng hapon, mag-umpisa. Pitsa 5, Huwebes, 25 to 48 na southwest, 7 feet. Pitsa 6, Biyernes, 33 to 56 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya, sa tanghali mag-umpisa. Pitsa 7, Sabado, 35 to 58 na southwest, 8 to 9 feet. Pitsa 8, Linggo, 22 to 48 na southwest, 6 to 7 feet. Pitsa 9, Lunes, 18 to 38 na southwest, 5 feet. At pitsa 10, Martes, 22 to 42 na southwest, 5 feet pa rin. May kong arbel dyan sa 14-119. Sige, wala naman. Magandang umaga. Ingat. Ito na, Banakon. 14-117. Abantay. Sige. 14-117 ngayong araw ng linggo, pitsa 1. 15 to 33 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Magsa-southwest siya mamayang gabi, alas 11. Bukas, pitsa 2, Lunes, 15 to 36 na southwest, 3 feet. Pitsa 3, Martes, 21 to 45 na southwest, 3 to 5 feet. Yung 5 feet niya, alas 5 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Pitsa 4, Miyerkules, 22 to 41 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. Pitsa 5, Huwebes, 25 to 44 na west-northwest, 6 feet. Pitsa 6, Biyernes, 30 to 52 na southwest, 6 to 7 feet. Yung 7 feet niya, alas 6 ng umaga mag-umpisa hanggang gabi na yan. Pitsa 7, Sabado, 40 to 60 na southwest, 7 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya, alas 2 ng hapon mag-umpisa hanggang gabi. Pitsa 8, Linggo, 33 to 52 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. Pitsa 9, Lunes, 20 to 43 na southwest, 6 feet. At pitsa 10, Martes, 22 to 43 na southwest, 5 feet na lang din itong Banakon. Kopya. Pahingat. Magandang magabi.